So I make this quite often actually in various sort of ways. So what we've got here is I've got some lentils. I'm using a brown lentil. And then I've got some veggie in there. You can use any veggie you like. I've got some carrots, cauliflower and some white pumpkin today, but try other stuff in there. Tomatoes, onion, garlic, cumin, wonderful, easy, healthy, vegetarian and vegan. Welcome back to How to Cook With. So let's have a look here. So I've got 4 cups of lentils. I'm using these brown lentils. They cook really nicely and they're kind of quite sort of, meaty in a way. I mean, they've got a lovely texture to them. Cook really quickly as well. Okay, 2 cups of carrots, 2 cups, I'm using a white pumpkin there, 2 cups of cauliflower. Now substitute that with mushrooms, zucchini, red pumpkin, celery, anything you like, just sort of chuck whatever vegetables in you want. Here I've got 2 teaspoons of cumin powder, 1 tablespoon of garlic and 1 cup of onion. And we're also gonna add 1 cup of canned tomatoes. Really simple. So you're gonna need some sort of skillet, wok, pan. In there I've got 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Use a different one if you want. Heat's on above medium heat, just put that on. So we're gonna start off by dropping in that 1 cup of the onion, 1 tablespoon of garlic, and I'm gonna get my carrots in now. So if you've got some other vegetable like celery, like a hard vegetable, get that in right now. Really simply, 4 minutes. Give it a stir every now and then. We'll have this done in absolutely no time. Fabulous. Let's get that little bit of cauliflower in there. The white pumpkin. Like I say, use whatever veg you fancy. Salt. Black pepper. And then another 4 minutes on this, lively heat, keeping it moving. Okay, let's get in our cooked lentils. Now I'm using these brown ones, but you could change it if you want, no problem. So maybe like a red or yellow. 2 teaspoons of cumin, and then just 2 minutes. Keep it moving all the time now. We're well on our way. Only one more step really before we go for a nice simmer. Beautiful. Just a couple of minutes there. Now we're going to add 1 can of tomatoes. Now I've chopped these they were a whole tomato, I've just chopped them up. When I say 1 can, I mean like a 400 ml regular size can. And then we're going to go about the same of water, or if you want some sort of stock, but I think water's good. Going to give this a little mix. We're going to put the heat on low, and I'm going to let it go for about 8 or 9 minutes. Okay, off goes the heat. That's beautiful. Look at that. Really simple. Really good for you. Now it's quite dry, but I kind of want it like that. Now, if you want, you can stick that in some jacket potatoes. It's quite nice in there. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to run through a fresh herb. So you can put in mint, parsley, coriander, basil, anything in there fresh. Works really well. Let me grab that. Okay, I'm going to go for a little handful of parsley, flat leaf parsley in there. But yeah, anything goes, isn't it? It's beautiful, really lovely. Let me serve that up. So that's packed with flavors, really easy to make. Like I say, chuck any veg you like in there. I make this quite a lot actually. I love it. Hope you enjoy it. You keep safe, you keep well. I'll see you really soon. Lots of love. Well done for making it to the end of the video. I really appreciate it. I appreciate all of you that follow the channel on a regular basis. You know who you are. There's loads of you. I'm cooking away like non-stop. As you can see, I've got some lovely food right in front of me here. we're just about to start our cookbook. We're doing our cookbook at the moment, which is going to take a long time to come out. I know a lot of you have been asking for it, but yeah, it's going to take a while, lots to do. But yeah, cooking away. Chef June is working really hard on the channel as well, doing his Filipino food in Tagalog. Rahel's got her own channel now doing the Ethiopian food, which is marvelous. It is in Amharic, the national language of Ethiopia, but check it out because she really, really is fantastic. I'm doing good. I hope you're doing great. Give us a thumbs up. Leave us a comment. I do actually try and get back to everyone who leaves a comment for me. Subscribe to the channel, all that good stuff. There's social media knocking about, you know, Instagram and Facebook and all that stuff if you want to check it out. But that's it. Keep safe, keep well. Lots of love.